Hold on before you scroll. I have given an extreme effort on it. What if I told you there is a hidden secret in this? Is your inverter on the fritz because of low battery water? There is a quick fix for you might be thinking of. But hold on, using regular tap water can actually damage your battery. In this video, we will uncover a safe and effective way to get your power back on without harming your inverter. I think you know everything about this topic, but think again. This video will blow your mind. But remember, this is just for extreme situation, just for emergency. Use battery water instead of this one.
अड़तालीस बहुत ज़्यादा